I'm a firm believer in that really good companies start with a foundation of really good people. When you have a team that has a high level of integrity, honesty, great skill set, it permeates into everything that they do to everybody around them. My name is Jeff Smith. I am the plumbing division estimator, and I've been with Cardinal since July of 2022. You know, I remember my first day on the job. I can remember walking from the parking lot through the warehouse, and it was like Grand Central Station. There was probably at least a dozen people back there, if not more. And I walked past probably 8 or 9, and every single one of them said good morning. It didn't take long for me to realize that people really like working here. They like what they do. It's a very collaborative environment. People are more than willing to help out, and every day there's lots of, we all have jobs to do. We all do them, but we have a great time doing it. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes in a larger company when it's, maybe people don't have the vested interest in it that a family-run business. I mean, it's their business, and they started it from the ground up. It was one person, when Rick started, and so they truly have a vested interest, and you don't feel like a number here. You truly feel like you are a member of the big family, and that's worth something. It really is.